This question is not easy to answer. Should you manage your properties using a property management software, or should you just avoid having to worry about any of that and just hire a property manager? In today's fast-paced real estate market, landlords are always looking for tools to simplify their operations, and with the rise of tech, property management software is becoming increasingly popular. But is it worth it? Using software can save you a significant portion of your profits, but you'll have to be a lot more involved. As you'll see, the answer is not always so clear-cut. So let's dive into the pros and cons of both options, and some of them may surprise you. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Obagosh with DoorLoop. Stick around to the end to see how you can get a discount on DoorLoop if you're interested. Firstly, one of the biggest benefits of using software is the centralization of information. Landlords can access all their property data, tenant details, contracts, and financial records in one place. This reduces the need for physical storage and makes retrieving information instantaneous. No more sifting through stacks of paper to find a single document. On the subject of automation, from rent reminders to maintenance requests, software can automate various tasks such as accounting, rent payments and reminders, and announcements. This not only reduces the manual effort that you have to put in, but ensures timely responses and action. It's like having an assistant working around the clock for you. Diving deeper, with the built-in analytics, landlords can easily get insights into their property's performance. These reports can guide decision-making, helping maximize returns and efficiency. And as we're all aware, data-driven decisions often lead to more predictable outcomes. Speaking of finances, many software options offer integrated payment gateways. This means tenants can pay their rent online, reducing payment delays and manual tracking. Now, you might start to be seeing a trend here because this not only ensures timely payments, but also offers convenience for your tenants. Now, in the digital realm, from online applications to electronic lease signings, the digital leasing process is streamlined, saving time for both the landlord and the tenant. This modern approach can also be a selling point for potential tenants as well, since they don't have to drive across town and go into an office just to sign a few papers. When it comes to the maintenance, a centralized platform makes it easier to track maintenance requests, assign tasks, and assure timely repairs, enhancing tenant satisfaction. And it goes without saying that happy tenants often translate to longer lease terms and fewer vacancies. Next, let's take a look at accessibility. Being cloud-based, landlords can access their software from anywhere, anytime. This is especially beneficial for those managing properties in multiple locations. You're not bound to an office, the world is your workplace. But how secure is all this? From a security perspective, with digital storage, there's a reduced risk of data theft or loss. Plus, advanced software often come with encryption, ensuring data safety. And in this day and age, peace of mind in terms of data security is invaluable. Focusing on communication, features like in-app messaging and email integration make it easy to keep everyone in the loop at all times, ensuring clarity and reducing potential disputes. Because let's be honest, that's the last thing anyone wants. Clear and open communication builds trust with your tenants. Wrapping up the advantages, while there might be upfront costs, the long-term savings in terms of time, resources, and reduced errors make property management software a cost-effective choice. Think of it as an investment in your business's future efficiency. All right, back to reality, we're going to transition to some of the drawbacks. Adopting a new technology can be challenging. Landlords might face initial hiccups while they're getting familiar with the software. However, with proper training and guidance, this transition becomes a lot smoother. On the financial side, while beneficial in the long run, some high-quality softwares might come with a hefty price tag, making it a significant initial investment. And that's why research and comparisons are crucial to ensuring value for money. Lastly, another setback using a software-centric approach, any internet or technical glitch could potentially hinder operations, at least temporarily. That's why if you do decide to go down this route, doing regular backups and having a contingency plan in place can help you mitigate these risks. In conclusion, while property management software offers numerous benefits to landlords, it's essential to weigh in the potential benefits and challenges. The key is to choose a software that aligns with your needs, offers good support, and ensures a seamless transition into the digital realm, especially if this is your first time that you're going to be using a property management software, which is exactly why we created DoorLoop. With the best customer service in the industry, a fully dedicated onboarding team that trains every single one of our new users, and some of the most advanced features you could ask for, we are confident that you're going to love using DoorLoop. Our features include extremely robust accounting, tenant screening, and customizable applications. We also have an extremely easy-to-use dashboard that makes looking at your entire business a breeze, and so much more. If you're interested, you can get a free demo at the link below or in the corner right here, and you just might get a big discount if you choose to sign up. But whatever you decide to do, remember that technology is here to assist, not replace the human touch in property management. Balancing technology with personal interaction remains a cornerstone of successful property management. But with that said, thanks for watching, Loopers. Stay tuned to DoorLoop for all things property management. See you soon.